Everybody loves customizing Hot Wheels cars, but one of the most annoying things about it is getting the Hot Wheels even open. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to open up your Hot Wheels car in under 45 seconds. This nice, beautiful Hellcat. So what you're going to want to do here is we're going to need a drill. In order to do this, you're going to need a nice little drill. You're going to need to drill into the two mushroom rivets right here. Now, there's a lot of different drill bits that you can use, but the best one for me is this 4mm drill bit, which I believe is 5/64 or 5/32. It's one of the two. I think it's 5/64, but I could be wrong. And you're just gonna want to drill straight into this right there. The wrong way, my bad. So you see both of the rivets just nice popped off, and there does not seem to be any scratches at the top of my car. So the rivets are gone, but as you can see, you might have this trouble as well, that car's not quite coming off. So what you're gonna want to do is, if you can see right here, grabbing a flathead screwdriver might help this, but going ahead on and just kind of picking it off. If this does not work, then what you're gonna have, if this does not work, what you're gonna have to do is you're just gonna have to go ahead. You're gonna have to take your drill and then just drill where, boom. See, they're pretty sure, yep, this side just popped right out. And then now I just need to do this. Okay, as you can see, we have this Hot Wheels has now been successfully opened, and you are free to do whatever modifications you want. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful to you, and please make sure to like and subscribe if this video did help you. Thank you very much.